Have you ever found the perfect image for your PowerPoint or your articulate presentation, and when you bring it in, it just doesn't look good because your PowerPoint is horizontal, and if the image is vertical, and especially if there's a color background, it just doesn't leave a very good edge between it. Now you could always remove your background, but I've got another solution that might even be simpler. I used to do this on Photoshop, and I thought, why not do it on PowerPoint? So what I do is I make a copy of the image, and you can do this as long as there's some kind of background. Even in this image, although there's not a lot, I can just crop it back to where there's nothing but background. And then what you can just do is pull it out. Now this one looks pretty good, but sometimes the shading or something makes it look a little funny. So what you can do is you can flip it right around, or sometimes just flipping it horizontally will make it blend in better. I'll show you another example of this. So here's another picture that I've got, and it's pretty vertical as well, and it doesn't fill the whole screen the way I'd like it to. So I'll just make a couple of copies of this and crop this again. Now see how it's got that shadow there? If I pull this out, it's just going to copy the shadow, so I'd rather get rid of that, even though I'm dealing with a smaller area now. Put that back in and just pull this out. And because this shows the shadow as well, I'm just going to crop this in a little bit and get rid of that. And just fill the rest of the screen with that. Oh, there's a little bit of a bump there, but probably nobody would notice it other than yourself. And I'm going to do the same for this side. Okay, so there's a bit of a line there. So what I'm going to try doing here is if I can flip it horizontally. See how the line is much less there? And I can even crop it some more just to get rid of that little bit of white there where the two images join. And when you put it together, I mean, this side even went together better than this one did. Anyways, it's something different that you can play with and try it, and it might save you a little bit of aggravation. Thanks.